Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off music in Horror Tale 1. First of all, launch open the Horror Tale 1 on your device, which can be an Android or iOS device, and once you're inside the main homepage of the game, go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the right hand corner of the screen. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, go ahead and look for the music and sound options. You'll see a little slider underneath each options. Go ahead and slide the slider all the way towards the left to turn off music and sound effect in the game. After sliding the music and sound volume all the way towards 0, you can go ahead and get back, and then your changes will be saved automatically. If you want a quieter gameplay experience, that way you can easily turn off sound and music in the Horror Tale 1 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.